Welcome to FSR, step-by-step video installation. First, carefully remove the construction cover from the box using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the gang plate brackets from the box using the same screwdriver. Removal of both gang plate brackets will allow wiring to route into the box easily. Use a hammer and a screwdriver to remove the knockouts at the top of the box where the conduits will be placed. Install the conduits by placing them in the knockouts and screwing the conduit fittings on the bottom clockwise, as shown. Reinsert gang plate brackets and construction cover with supplied hardware before any mortar is applied to the box. 2 modified concrete blocks will need to be cut, leaving an opening of 16 inches. As a secondary modified option, a concrete block will need to be cut 2.5 inches deep lengthwise for the wall box to fit correctly in front of the modified block. Once the wall box is placed on the block wall, make sure the unit is flush with the wall. Apply mortar to the modified block as well as the seams around the wall box. After the mortar has been set, remove the construction cover and gang plate brackets to install any electrical devices. Install the finished cover plate with the provided hardware. Thanks for watching FSR.